If you've inherited a property in or around Lewis Center, Ohio, or if you're dealing with some type of probate situation that involves a property in or around Lewis Center, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin with Sell House Columbus, and for over 14 years we've been buying inherited properties all around Lewis Center, and the reason people like working with us is we're going to keep it simple. If you're already dealing with some type of inheritance and probate situation, chances are it could be confusing, there could be a lot on your plate, you could be working with attorneys and courts and paperwork. We're going to keep it simple, and the way we're going to keep it simple is we're going to buy the property in its as-is condition. So what that means is you don't need to fix the property, you don't need to put any work or put any money into the property, you don't need to clean anything or haul anything away. We buy properties in their true as-is condition, and typically the conversation with you, the person who inherited the property in Lewis Center, it's going to be very straightforward. You can take out anything that you want out of the house, any belongings or any collectibles or any family heirlooms, by all means. Take that out before the closing. Anything that you don't want or simply don't need, you could just leave it behind. We're going to close on the property in its true as-is condition. And this is much different than working with a traditional buyer who might be working with a realtor, who might be using a lender to close on this transaction. Because when you're working with a traditional buyer, and they got to work with their lender, there's going to be formal appraisals and formal inspections and 100 different people walking through the property. And then you're closing on their timeline. You're going to be able to close when their lender approves this transaction. With us, there's no approvals needed. There's no banks needed. We're going to be able to close for cash. And that means we could close on your timeline. So if you want to close quickly, we could provide speed and move fast. If you need more flexibility, by all means, we're able to be flexible as well. So if you've inherited a property in Lewis Center, Ohio, or if you're dealing with some type of probate situation that involves a property in or around Lewis Center, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. When you call us and when we communicate, it's going to be very straightforward and clear communication. We're going to make you a cash offer on the property. If our offer works for you, great. We'll move forward, we'll make it happen. If our offer doesn't work for you, we can simply shake hands and part as friends. There's never going to be any pressure or fake urgency or sales tactics or anything like that. So our number, once again, is 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. If you've inherited a property in or around Lewis Center or dealing with any type of probate situation that involves a property in or around Lewis Center, Ohio, give us a call. My name is Dave. I look forward to working with you.